nothing but an expired exit from my life. An expired exit from my life. I thought your love, I thought your heart was poison from the start. An expired exit from my life. Bye bye. I don't miss your mind tricks or your lies. I don't miss when you're gone every night. I'm done being chained, done with your games, done being played for your entertainment. I'm not.
Trending Chinese steamed buns recipe in China. Add yeast powder in plain flour, 1 whole egg, sugar,
unexpired milk.
Stir well. Knead dough with a single hand. Split into 3 parts. Roll it into strips. Cut into tons of small pieces with grandma's knife. Let it sit for half an hour. Steam for 8 minutes. Dish up. Done and dusted. Out of this world.
Start by adding tomatoes and a red bell pepper to your baking dish with onions, garlic, and thyme. Add extra virgin olive oil and season generously. Roast at 400 for 40 minutes. Then add everything to a blender with basil, veggie stock, and coconut milk. Blend until smooth, serve with your favorite grilled cheese, and enjoy! These pesto turkey melt sliders will be the biggest hit at your next barbecue. All you need to do is cut your Hawaiian rolls in half, then add pesto to the top and bottom with some turkey and spinach. Next, I'm adding on some Cabot's pepper jack cheese. I love this cheese because it's super creamy and naturally lactose-free. Optional, once it's done baking, add some tomato slices, then close it, cut it, and enjoy! 2 years and 7 million views later, this sandwich is still one of my favorites to make. You're going to toast your bread, then add hummus to one side and avocado to the other. Add cucumbers, some spinach, and tomato. Season with salt and pepper, then add sprouts. Top it off with an extra virgin olive oil and fresh lemon juice. This is it at the end, and enjoy!
I cannot express how delicious these crispy Parmesan-laced wedges are. Tossed in a zesty, herby sauce, they're just unbelievable. Wow. Combine olive oil with salt, pepper, oregano, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and lemon pepper. Cut your red potatoes into 8 wedges each, then toss in the sauce. Pour some oil out to grease your pan, then sprinkle on an even layer of grated Parmesan. Arrange your wedges like so, then bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Break them apart when they're done, and these will be the crispiest potatoes you ever had.
Try this.
What?
I don't even know how to start this one because these saucy stir-fried udon noodles have me speechless, truthfully. Let's just get started. To make the sauce, mix together these listed ingredients, then set it aside. In a wok, we're going to heat up some oil, add in crushed garlic, onion, carrots, really any veggies you'd like. If you want, you can toss a protein in here too. Cook together for about 5 minutes so they start to soften, then add in your rinsed udon noodles and the sauce. Cook for another 5 minutes so the sauce thickens, then add in the green parts of the scallions and bean sprouts and cook for another few minutes. And that's all. As promised, here are the crab rangoons. I wanted to make an extra creamy and super stuffed version like the one Sloth Girl eats. We have 16 ounces cream cheese, 8 ounces crab, scallions, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, sesame oil, sugar, white pepper, and garlic powder. Place about 1.5 teaspoons in the center of the wonton wrappers, then spread water along the edges and fold it shut like so. Fry on both sides until golden and crispy, then remove. I served it with sweet chili sauce. You can totally make your own, but I just use store-bought, and enjoy!
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between